Hi guys, so today we'll be playing motorbike lite. Just need to sort out the beginning. So I think we're going to do a series where we're going to finish the game. I'm going to do 3 levels per video. I'm starting from the beginning. Number 1 is called Basic Bumps. Let's go. This game quits unexpectedly every now and then, so sorry if that happens, but obviously I can just edit it out. I'm trying not to do too much editing because it takes longer to upload on YouTube. So let's just get on this and hope I'm a pro so there's not too much video ever. Come on. Come on. Oh, lovely. Oh, that sound. That sound. I mean, oh, that is just bloody deadly. Deadly. Here we go, here we go. Nice long air. Jump down there. Nice long air. Jump down there. Nice long air. Dump down there. Nice long air. Backflip there. Not really. Yeah. Ooh. Next track. Yeah. Baby. Yeah. Right. Next track. This is like a clear jump. Ooh. Let's try this. Front flip. Oh god, there's pipes. Oh. My tyres are like flat. Can't even pull off a wheelie. That's horrible. Meanie. Oh, there's a bunch of barrels. Barrels. So loud. Like, shut up. Like, I don't want to hear you. Oh, go on. I think that's pro. You know what I mean? That was 7 seconds to complete. 7 seconds. Right, let's go. Barrels. Goddamn barrels. Oh. I think I'm actually becoming a pro. This is our last lap thing, whatever you call it. How have I done it that quick? Oh, twerk that ass, twerk that ass, twerk that ass, twerk that ass. Oh, go on, mate, laddie, Jimmy, come on, lad, come on. Oh, why do you keep dying? Like, it's not even funny anymore. Right, this is like my 4th attempt. I'm just gonna like start time-lapsing it. Because this is gonna take bloody forever. Oh, I think I've done it! I think I've bloody gone and done it! Come on! No! What's happening? Oh! Oh, why is it so hard? Like, this is the hardest map yet. Come on, laddie. Oh, did you see that? No flop whatsoever. I'm trying my best to reverse it. Stop that! What are you saying? It's not even fun anymore. Not bloody fun. Come on. Right, that was nice. That was sexy. That was the best one yet. Oh! New record! New bloody record! I will see you guys in the next one.